Okay. That involves listening to the teacher, speaking in groups, writing and checking. The teacher reads a short text to the learners who just listen. The teacher reads the text again and the learners take notes. Then, in groups, they recreate the text from their notes. Was it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So, and now, I'm going to read the short text for the second time. And for this time, each of you have to take your pen and a piece of paper to take notes as quickly as possible. Understand? Now, what are you going to do now?
Take notes.
Take notes. Are you going to listen? Yes. Are you going to take notes while you listen?
Yes.
Each of you has to take notes, or in groups you take notes. Each of you has to take one note, right? Now, everybody, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Now, this is a very flexible type of dictation that involves listening to the teacher, speaking in groups, writing and checking. The teacher reads the short text to the learners who just listen. The teacher reads the text again and the learners take notes. Then, in groups, they recreate the text from the notes. Have you done it? How much could you take notes? Some words, some lines, some sentences. Somebody got some words, somebody got some lines, and somebody got some letters. Right. So now in groups, you have to discuss and rewrite it on the small board I gave you last time. Right? Now in groups, writing and checking. The teacher reads a short text to the learners who just listen. The teacher reads the text again and the learners take notes. Then, in groups, they recreate the text from their notes. Was it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So, and now, I'm going to read the short text for the second time. And for this time, each of you have to take your pen and a piece of paper to take notes as quickly as possible. Understand? Now, what are you going to do now?
Take notes.
Take notes. Are you going to listen? Yes. Are you going to take notes while you listen?
Yes.
Each of you has to take notes, or in groups you take notes. Each of you has to take one note, right? Now, everybody, are you ready? Yes. Now, this is a very flexible type of dictation that involves listening to the teacher, speaking in groups, writing and checking. The teacher reads the short text to the learners who just listen. The teacher reads the text again and the learners take notes. Then, In groups, they read with the text from the notes. Have you done it? How much could you take notes? Some words, some lines, some sentences. Somebody got some words, somebody got some lines, and somebody got some letters. Right. So now in groups, you have to discuss and rewrite it on the small board I gave you last time. Right? Now in group, try to time is up. 5 minutes left. Has left. Now, let's have some reflection. So, by doing this task, I would like you to pay attention to listening when you are teaching the students. You have to decide for the task to focus on listening for specific information, or listening for this, or listening for detail, intensive listening or extensive listening. Right? We have 5 sub-skills of listening. So, number 1, D. Number 2, E. Number 3, B. Good. So, number 3, listening for detail. When we listen to try and extract the maximum meaning of every word in the text, that is listening for detail. Okay? Intensive listening. C. When we listen in order to examine a piece of language, for example, to study the grammar or pronunciation of it. And the last one, number 5. A. When we listen a long text over long periods of time. Okay? Now, we move to task 2, listening sub-skill. Now complete the following table by matching the activities to the sub-skill in activity 4.1.
I have something to show you that I think just enough for today, because I have 5 slides. I have 5 slides to show you, but see you next time. And I think something like that. Yeah. And for example, but I think it's better. I will show you next time, because we do not have much time today. But I have some questions for you. First question: are you sleepy?
No.
Are you sleepy today?
No.
Good. It's okay. I would like to get your answers like that. Okay. And the next question: how do you find the workshop today? Only one word, each of you. How do you find the workshop today? Useful. Okay. Can you apply these techniques? Can you apply these methods in the teachings every day?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we think that we have, for example, we have 5 techniques today, but how many of them can you apply in your teachings every day? How many? Just say 4, 5, 3, 1, 2. Okay, answers. Okay, everything you think. Okay, answers. Don't look at me. Don't look at Mr. Huyen and answers. Okay, please. How many? Okay, we consider we have 5. Okay, how many of them can you apply in your teaching every day? How many of them? 3, 4, or 5?
2.
2, 3. So we can say that most of them, or almost of them, we can, okay, just can be applied in our teachings every day, okay, or at least can help us to motivate the student to make the lesson more interesting. Do you think so? Yes. That's okay. That's all we need, and that's all. After every workshop, we need to answer just some question like that. First, do you feel sleepy? No. That's good. How many of them can be applied? More than 50%, that's okay. But I think today is useful, interesting, I think so. And then we have some more things to tell you. But I think that's okay for today. And all those things today that you can apply, please, from tomorrow and on, you apply that, okay? That's all. And we see next time after a month.
Yes.
And you show us what you apply. And from now on, I attend your school, I attend your lesson. I myself would like to see how much of these from today and from the next on, okay, can you apply? And that's it. See you next time. Yeah, you did a good job. And you are highly appreciated. Thank you for today.
So, Director, big applause for me, please. Myself.
Please, some more libraries should be installed here.
Yes.
Thank you.
He doesn't know which.
Chị có ý kiến gì không?
Có lẽ là trước hết là thay mặt cho các đồng chí giáo viên tiếng Anh trong toàn huyện xin trân trọng cảm ơn sự quan tâm của đồng chí Nguyễn Văn Nhất đã dành thời gian cho chúng tôi. Mặc dù là cái buổi ngày hôm nay chúng tôi cũng cảm thấy chắc chắn còn nhiều vấn đề về kinh nghiệm, nhưng mà ít ra chúng tôi đã nhận được một lời khen từ đồng chí, và chắc chắn tôi sẽ hứa là có thể là không tốt được bằng việc khác, nhưng chúng tôi cũng sẽ dần dần cải thiện cái, đặc biệt là cái tiếng Anh nói ở trong trường trung học cơ sở ở các trường trong huyện.
6 bubbles. They consist of words and numbers. All the information on 6 bubbles are related on myself. So, can you ask question? All of you, can you ask question that related to the numbers or the words on the screen? If you ask a right question in grammar article, you got 1 point. If you ask a good question in correct grammar and correct information, you get 2 points. Right? So each of you from each group, you have chance to ask any questions that related to information in bubbles on the screen. Understand this activity?
Yes.
Yes. So now who can be the first? Now good.
How many children do you have? No. We have 2 children.
Yeah.
How many children do you
Oh, okay. There's some mistakes here. You have to ask yes no question. Only yes no question. Sorry. You only ask, only make yes no question. That's related to the information in purpose. Yes. Now, from group 2, I'm going to take some notes here. Now, all of you, can I make any questions? Now, one by one, please. Don't say closely, I don't understand. One by one, now you please.
Do you go to school by motorbike?
Yes, yes I do. So, which group are you in?
3.
Group 3. 2 points. Good. Now next one. Now you please.
Have you gone for 15 years?
Yes, I have. So, which group are you in?
I'm in group 2.
Group 2 got 2 points. Next one. Now you please. Yes, I did. Right. So which group are you in? Group 4. You are very smart students.
Are you 29 years old?
No, not you. No, I didn't. Not you, please. No, sorry. Nothing. Which group are you in? Group 1. Good. Now, right. I got married when I was 29 years old. Good. Now, which group are you in? Group 2. Good. Now, yes, I do.
No, I don't think.
Yes, I do. Now, which group are you in? Group 5. Good. Now, how many bubbles left? How many bubbles left? Only one. Now who can? Besides Thanh. Besides Chuyen. Now have.
Is the sun 8 years old?
Yes. Yes, he is. Right. So which group are you? Group 3. 2 boys. Now, any bubbles left? Yeah. Okay. Now we have group 1. After taking this activity, group 1 have 1 point. Group 2 have 4 points. Group 3 you have 4 points as well. Group 4 and group 5 you both have 2 points. Now the class, congratulations for all of you. And the 2 winners, group 2 and group 3. Congratulations. Okay, now we do the same. Now.
Chúc đồng chí năm 2016 có nhiều thành công hơn, gia đình hạnh phúc và đặc biệt quan tâm nữa tới sự nghiệp tiếng Anh của huyện Tân Yên chúng tôi nói riêng. Xin cảm ơn đồng chí.